Hello everyone. ABS Group invites you to join us in our upcoming webinar focusing on ISO 45001-2018, Addressing Occupational Health and Safety. My name is Cy Sharp, and I'm the Manager of Global Sustainability for ABS Quality Evaluations. ABS Quality Evaluations is a subsidiary of ABS Group and is a leading provider of auditing and certification services. This webinar focuses on the new requirements of ISO 45001 and the difference between it and OHSAS 18001. We hope that our viewers will receive information that will be helpful for them in their 3-year migration plan. It also evaluates the alignment between ISO 45001, ISO 14001, and ISO 9001. We're looking forward to you joining us, and in the meantime, please feel free to visit our website and our Knowledge Center, where you can read insight and request available resources at abs-group.com.